Hello everyone, welcome back to Practical Web Learning. In today's video, I am going to explain phasing in Revit, which is very important when you are working on new projects, renovation projects, or demolition projects. By the end of this video, you will understand what phasing is, what a phase filter is, why we use phasing, the types of phase filters, and how to use them in Revit. Before understanding phase filter, we need to understand phasing first. In real projects, buildings are not always constructed at one time. Sometimes an existing building is already there, some parts are demolished, and new construction is added. To manage this, Revit uses phases. For example, existing phase, new construction phase, demolition phase. Each element in Revit belongs to a phase. Many projects, especially renovation projects, proceed in stages. Each stage represents a different time period in the life of the project. Revit tracks the phase in which elements are created and demolished, and it also tracks the phase assigned to each view. Now let's understand phase filter. A phase filter is used to control how elements are displayed in a view based on their status, such as new, existing, demolished, or temporary. This helps you control what you want to see in drawings and schedules. For examples, in large renovation project, a door schedule may include hundreds of doors. If demolished doors and new doors are shown together, the schedule becomes confusing. Instead, you can create a pre-demolition schedule or a post-renovation schedule by applying the correct phase and phase filter. You can clearly organize your project data. Now let us look at the default phase filters available in Revit. First one, none. This means no phase filter is applied and all elements from all phases are displayed. Next one, show all. This shows new, existing, demolished and temporary elements. Show complete. This shows the final condition of the project after demolition and new construction are completed. Show demolished and new. This displays demolished elements and newly created elements. Show new. This shows only the new elements added in the current phase. Show previous plus demolished. This shows existing elements and demolished elements. Show previous plus new. This shows existing elements that are not demolished and also the new elements. Show previous phase. This shows all elements from the previous phase only. The first phase of a project, since there is no previous phase, applying this filter will not display any elements. Now let us understand phase status. Each element in Revit can have one of the following status: new element created in the current phase, existing elements created in an earlier phase and still present, demolished elements created earlier but removed in the current phase, temporary elements created and demolished within the same place. Each view can display one or more phases, and you can apply different graphics overrides for each phase status. Now let us understand the workflow. First, determine the phase required for your project. For example, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Next, create separate views for each phase and rename the clearly. Then, in the properties panel, set the phase for the new view. Set the phase filter to control visibility. This helps you manage your project clearly and create proper documentation. That's how phasing and phase filter work in Revit. So, next class we'll discuss about how to apply phase filter to the MEP model. Thanks for watching. If you found this video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.